Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to connect with someone on LinkedIn. So first step, you will need to understand that there are a few buttons in order to connect to people. So first one is the add button, and this button is generally used for profiles of people you may already know or have mutual connections with, and clicking it sends a connection request. So the add button, as you can see, I will show you right now. Let's go to, for example, to this guy, Jensen button. As you can see, he has the add button. So this button, you will click to add. And as you can see, you can send without the note, or you can even add a note. So this invitation, you can add a note with it or without the note. So this is basically the connect button. Add button, connect button equals the same. As you can see in this explanation right here, add and connect, this button is default on LinkedIn and is used to send a connection request to someone you want to build a professional relationship with. And then the follow button, as you can see, this button is used just to follow the people. So let's search for Lewis Hamilton. He has the follow button. He have to change the first thing to be the follow button and then the add button, because he's just too famous, as you can see, and he wants people to follow him and he doesn't want to follow you, which means this add button is basically the connect button. So this is how you connect someone. Thank you for watching. Simply click for add and the connection should be okay. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.